We will guide you through how to make the cube spin meme effect on CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start CapCut and open the project you want to edit. Import the video clips you want to connect with the cube effect, and place both clips next to each other on the main timeline in the correct order. Move the playhead to the point where the two clips meet so you can apply the effect directly between them. Next, open the Transitions tab from the Editing toolbar and browse through the available transition presets. Use the search bar to look for Cube to quickly find cube-style transition effects. Review the cube-style transitions shown in the search results and select the cube transition that best fits the fast and playful style of your meme edit. Apply the selected transition between the two video clips at the cut point. Once the transition has been applied, adjust the transition duration to control how quickly the cube spins from one clip into the next. Preview the transition in the playback window to check the spinning movement and make sure the rotation looks smooth. For a faster meme-style spin, shorten the transition duration so the cube rotates quickly and creates a more energetic impact. Play the surrounding footage to make sure the transition connects both clips smoothly and that the cube spin begins and ends at the correct moments. You can also experiment with the timing to match the cube spin with other important moments in your meme edit. Preview the transition several times to make sure there are no awkward jumps between the two clips. Make any final timing adjustments if necessary until the cube rotation feels quick, clean, and properly synchronized with the footage. Once the cube spin meme effect looks right and the clips transition smoothly, save your project to preserve the completed effect and all of your timing adjustments.